MASTERCARD has accepted Vechain. Interest in Vechain in the world is growing more and more. If earlier Vechain was popular only at the level of companies, now more and more countries from different parts of the globe are interested in this cryptocurrency. In the near future, it will be possible to see Vechain as a global cryptocurrency that is able to unite countries. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. What do you think the maximum price for Vechain will be in 2022? Write the answers in the comments. Vechain, MasterCard and Alipay are among the powerful contributors supporting the new APAC Provenance Board focused on exporting $76 billion worth of products from Australia to China. Vechain, MasterCard and Alipay are among the main contributors supporting the new APAC Provenance Board, which has already funded the process of supply chain tracking and financing a pilot initiative in the Asia-Pacific region. The consortium will provide comprehensive authentication and tracking solutions for food, wine and other products using blockchain, with a special focus on $76 billion of exports from Australia to China. The financing will be provided by MasterCard outside China and Alipay Australia for goods going to China. Products can be tracked using Vechain as a public blockchain or MasterCard Provenance as a trusted registry. Supply chain tracking has been a key use case identified in the Australian government's recent national roadmap. And Australia's share in the value of exports to China in 2019 reached a record 38%, more than any other country. Since the economic downturn will have a bad effect on the cash flows of companies, a unique selling point will be the possibility of a landmark payment to various parties when supplies move through the supply chain. For example, 30% can be automatically paid when the blockchain records the customs clearance of a shipment to Australia, another 30% when it gets to customs in China, and the rest upon delivery. Instant payments can be made with a loan to a digital wallet, rather than waiting for the bills to be repaid in a month. David Indirias, co-founder and CEO of Fresh Supply Company, the main supplier of the APAC Provenance Board, said that MasterCard and Alipay allowed the consortium to offer instant payments. "We offer the ability to finance and facilitate payments instantly," he said. "We can settle accounts with our customers faster, which means paying the loan. Usually the terms of trade are getting paid in at least 30 days, so this is interesting for many of our customers who can get paid instantly. So, we say that we take B2B, very large invoices, and give them a short-term loan for 30 days. So, you can hold your money to have more working capital. If I'm a buyer like Alibaba, I don't have to use real money, I can use a loan if I pay within 30 days. And the benefit is that the manufacturer gets paid quickly." Vechain CEO Sunny Lu said that this new ecosystem will be extremely useful. "The introduction of blockchain certainly helps to contain the economic consequences of the pandemic for enterprises, and will also help to increase labor productivity by using more resources and opportunities for growth," he said. In addition to blockchain and financial companies, the consortium also includes food industry bodies, standardization agencies, packaging and labeling service providers. The main commercial vendors of the APAC Provenance Council are Australians, a supply chain integration company and a fresh supply company middleware company supported by Cyro, a company engaged in the manufacture of Lava digital fingerprint equipment and source certain international authentication equipment. Indirias stated that FSC already offers blockchain-backed trade finance of $80,000 per week in partnership with MasterCard for a major Australian dairy exporter and is in the process of integrating one of the largest seafood exporters in the country, accounting for hundreds of millions of exports annually. Blockchain Australia CEO Nicholas Giurietto expressed support for the consortium, stating, "The National Blockchain Roadmap has identified agricultural supply chains as a key area where blockchain and related technologies can transform our national capability. The creation of the APAC Provenance Management Council is a big step forward that will allow us to move towards projects that will promote transparency, efficiency and management of agricultural and other supply chains." Vet's bearish gravitation expedited after an expected bearish pennant breakout on December 9th. This fall transposed into a down channel after the alt noted a 13.7% decline on its weekly chart. It steadily declined in the past month after poking its 6-month high on November 9th. Since then, the altcoin has shown a staggering 51.2% decline in 30 days and disapproval of its long-term bullish trend line. This fall has led the bears to overcome the 4-month resistance of the bulls at $0.084. During the press, Alt was trading at $0.07914 after noting a 5.8% increase in 24 hours. On the 4-hour timeframe, the RSI Vet has been almost struggling to break through the middle line for more than a month, demonstrating a significantly strong bearish influence. Moreover, he showed no signs of an imminent revival. In addition, DMI lines confirmed the bearish outlook, while AO showed a 24-hour bullish push. The main advantage of the Vechain ecosystem is the ability to track the supply chain and optimize logistics by adding supply records to the blockchain. This will ensure transparency both for companies producing goods, as well as for suppliers and end users. As positioned by developers, this approach solves several problems at once. High costs arising from inefficient business processes. Eliminating the need to maintain documentation, which complicates transportation and adds additional work to suppliers and carriers, as well as retailers. Ensuring the safety of products, especially food. Consumers will be able to track the origin of products using Vechain to make sure of their quality. Getting rid of counterfeit goods. When buying expensive products, for example, diamonds, it is necessary to verify the authenticity of the goods. Checking with experts is expensive. The blockchain will allow tracking the movement of genuine precious products and their owners in order to combat counterfeiting and eliminate the need for expensive checks. Simplification of the process and quick access to data. This can be useful, for example, when maintaining medical records. First, doctors have access to all patient data. Secondly, the storage of patients' medical records is not optimized, which complicates access to information. Thanks to the blockchain, patients can decide for themselves what data to provide to doctors, and decentralization will provide easy access to patient data. Like any other, the Vechain ecosystem is not without drawbacks. The main disadvantage of the platform is that the community cannot fully manage the platform and independently make decisions about which direction the platform will develop. However, in the future, the Vechain Foundation will make the management of the platform more decentralized in order to give the community more powers without having to depend on centralized network managers. The live Vechain price today is $0.07 with a 24-hour trading volume of $272 million. We update our VT to USD price in real time. Vechain is down 1.45% in the last 24 hours. Do you think Vechain will be able to rise to $1? Write the answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then like this video, subscribe to the channel.